You go? Okay, hi everyone, this is Hunter and Cole, and we are doing the what is this, hot pepper challenge? Jalapeno challenge, and
we're each gonna
take a bite out of it, and we, come on Cole!
3, 2, 1. You have to swallow it. You have to swallow it. You have to. It's down.
Love you.